asked, what is luxury? Is it more than just a feeling? And where does it come from? From touch? From sight? If it comes from the senses, can it be designed, engineered, manufactured, refined? Already a bestseller with over 30 million units sold, the Passat embodies this prestige, handed down for 8 generations, evolving with each subsequent iteration to be more intelligent and more capable for the new era. We are able to do this each time by stripping the Passat down to its essence, and in building it back up, we refine it further without altering its DNA. Built to keep you safe, with features designed to anticipate our human impulses and instincts. Even in the serene protective sanctuary of the Passat's interior cabin, remain connected to the people you know, to your music, to the internet, to the world outside. New yet familiar, its array of ultra-modern features and customizable options allow you to make your Passat your very own. We achieve this through innovative technology, married with human craftsmanship. A car for the people, by the people. The Passat is put together by Malaysian hands at our high-tech factory in Pekan, Pahang since 2012. Volkswagen is proud to work with local talents and local ingenuity, showcasing the vibrant spirit of Malaysians. Introducing the new Volkswagen Passat. Refinement takes the lead. Volkswagen.